Hi, welcome back to Genesis Custom Sabers. I've just updated my sound font Hero for Crystal Focus version 10 and Smooth Swing. Of course, it'll still work on all the older Plector Labs cards. It'll also work on some other sound cards out there like the Profi. You would just need to rename some of the sound file names and things like that. But all my sound fonts are engineered to be ideal for your Plector Labs sound card. And this one is reminiscent of Luke's saber in Return of the Jedi. And as you can hear, the smooth swing pairs are light side, classic. They move with you as you move the saber. Of course, if you have it in hybrid mode, it would still play the original swing sounds over top when you move the saber quickly, but this is just the smooth swing effect. Of course, you've got all your clash sounds, blaster block sounds. You've still got, let's see, force effects. All kinds of combo sounds and Easter eggs and things like that. It's a really fun sound font to play with. I hope it's perfect for your lightsaber project. It's available now at saberfont.com. Thanks again for watching.